How's everybody doing? I'm Information Man, and this is Info Media, and I want to welcome you to this YouTube channel. Once again, this channel is about strategies and tips and ways that you can leverage your ability to be successful in your YouTube journey. I want to say something to you that oftentimes a lot of content creators won't tell you. I'm not going to tell you what you want to hear. I'm going to tell you what you need to hear. And the fact of the matter, and I'm going to say this right now to you. YouTube is not a sprint. It is a marathon. What do I mean by that? What I mean is it takes time to grow a channel. It takes time to develop an audience. It takes time to hone your skills at talking to the camera. It takes time to build up your YouTube studio or get your cameras, get all the things that you need to improve the look, whether it be software, cameras, the whole 9 yards. It takes time. But what you really need to know about YouTube is this question, fundamental question. Does YouTube treat all YouTube content creators equally? You're going to be surprised by my answer. I'm going to say no and hell no. The reason why is that YouTube is a business. It is a video content business. YouTube is in the business of making money. Just like as a content creator, you want to make money and leverage what you do on YouTube, right? To make passive income, right? The bottom line is YouTube wants to promote videos that get click-through rates that feed into what the audience is looking for and what they want. YouTube is looking at customer satisfaction. This is why they always tell you when you go live on your videos or when you make an upload, put an upload up, you always tell people to like the video, because liking the video tells the algorithm that people are enjoying this video and are watching this video. And not only that, the analytics within YouTube will tell YouTube's algorithms that people are not only watching your video and clicking through it, but they're staying on your video. The longer you create a situation with your video that captures the minds and imaginations of the everyday person who is looking for content that fits what they're looking for, whatever your niche is. People go to YouTube because they're looking for something that can solve a problem, solve an issue. If you can create content that does that, you're on to something. People also go to YouTube to be entertained, to be educated. People also, I'm going to tell you this, most YouTubers won't tell you this, that talk about these sort of subject matters. Some people go to YouTube to watch specific channels who traffic in drama. There are some people that are entertained by watching channels that get into gossip and drama. That's just a fact. And so those types of channels that are able to create content that galvanizes the attention of the audience and can create content that is quality content, oftentimes those are the videos that YouTube will favor. It's no disrespect to you as the individual content creator. What you need to do is you need to level up. How do you level up? You need to look at your analytics and find out why is it that my video is not getting the views that I wanted to get because I put a lot of work into it. You need to look at how much work did you put into that video. Is the video of quality? Did you do enough research on the subject matter that you were talking about? Are you a good storyteller? Was the video compelling? Did you employ proper editing of your video? Because you want to create a situation where people need to watch your video. They want to watch your video. They have to go back to your channel. They can't wait until the next video that you produce comes out because they know that the video will be of quality, but the video most of all will solve a problem or give an answer or entertain them in some form of or fashion. Now, what YouTube, you could say, employs that looks like it's an equal situation is that if you have a YouTube channel and you get 100 views on your video. And this comes straight out of YouTube themselves. That if you get 100 views, the YouTube algorithms are programmed and designed to now show your video to 700 people. And out of that 700 people, now you have an open, even chance of 700 people watching your video who never either knew who you were, heard who you are, even have heard of your channel, who might click through your video and say, wow, I like this video. I like this content creator. I'm going to subscribe. This is why you want to make sure that you make quality content that has the potential for people to subscribe, but not only subscribe, you want them to click through it, watch it, listen to it, so on and so forth, maybe even replay it back. A lot of people on YouTube get caught up on how many subscribers they have. However, YouTube doesn't care about your subscribers. It only cares about your subscriber when it comes to the partnership program to get monetized, to make money from AdSense, or for you to be able to broadcast using your cell phone, to go live on your cell phone. YouTube doesn't want everybody going live on their cell phone unless you have 1,000 subscribers. Why? Most content creators won't tell you this because YouTube doesn't want you using up all their bandwidth. I gotta tell the truth. And how do I say it? Shame the devil.
Tell the truth.
So therefore, focus on quality content that can get you organic subscribers that will come back and watch a video because you have made a video of quality, and you've done research, and you know what the hell you're talking about. I just got to keep it real with you. YouTube is focused on the quality of the videos, which they are going to send out to many, many, many people based on whether the video is catching the attention of the audience. They can't put your video down. They keep watching, and they're giving you watch time because they're clicking through it and they're watching the video to the end. The bottom line is get your game up, improve what you're doing, study the best of them on YouTube and what they're doing, try to employ those same tactics. I'll tell you right now, some of the basic tactics are title. Title is important because sometimes people don't click on your video and watch it all the way through or even watch it at all if you don't have a title that compels them to want to watch. So therefore, get your title game working straight. Then think about a good thumbnail, a thumbnail that catches people's attention and sucks them in to say, I got to click on that video. I want to know what's going on because the thumbnail is so compelling. Then when you come up with a title, prior to the title that is a sensational title, I got to tell you this one, keyword search. You need to find a title that is searchable because YouTube is the second search engine. This is a little bit of a secret. Come on close to the screen. YouTube is the second largest search engine compared to Google, which Google owns YouTube. So you must think about when people are looking for content, think about how you think about searching for stuff when you Google something or when you're searching for something on YouTube. So you got to think about how people search for content. Think about what's trending. But the most important thing is that even after you employ these techniques, thumbnails, proper title, keyword search, put tags are important, but they're not as important. When you employ these sort of things and a proper description of what your video is about so that YouTube knows what your channel is about, what your video is about, and who to serve your video to, when you employ those tactics, you give yourself a better chance of being successful. However, success cannot be quantified if you didn't put time into the video to make it a quality video that people are even going to want to watch, even if they do get captivated by your thumbnail. I got to tell you the truth, and this is what I have to do.
Tell the truth.
You can hear it right there. I got to tell you the truth. This is the information man of Info Media. If you like this video, watch another video. I would appreciate that if you watch another video, because I definitely would appreciate that.